Hi everyone, my name is Tariq and I will show you how to add transitions using VSDC Video Editor. If you want to learn to add transitions into your VSDC video project, this video is for you. You will need to have VSDC Video Editor installed on your computer before watching this video. If you don't have VSDC Video Editor installed yet, I suggest you to watch my first tutorial video on how to install VSDC Video Editor. Please pause this video and come back once you are done installing VSDC Video Editor. Once you have installed VSDC Video Editor, let me show you how to add transitions into your videos. But let's start off easy with fade in and fade out transitions first. Step 1. Please open your VSDC Video Editor. Close the Pro version offer. Go to New Project underneath Projects, or Blank Project underneath Start Project Now, and make sure you set to the video settings I showed you in my last video. If you have forgotten, pause this video now and refer back to my second tutorial video. Step 2. Once you have checked your video settings, click Finish to get started on a video project. Step 3. First, let's add a choice of 3 objects. Before adding an object, please take note that adding a picture or a text box will last differently from adding a video. To make a picture or a text box last longer, select its layer and drag it to how long you want it to last. Later, I will get into the details for the fade in and fade out process. But first, let me show you how to add fade in and fade out transitions into a video. The text or picture will come later. Step 4. After adding a video, select the video layer. Go to Video Effects, find Transparency, and click Fade In. When Object Position Settings comes up with From the Start of the Scene and Add New Layer already selected, press OK. You can also drag the inside layer to see how long the fade in lasts. For example, drag it long, the fade in will last longer with a slower pace. Step 5. Return back to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer underneath object name. This time, we follow the same process, but we will click on the fade out. Repeat the steps just like how we did for the fade in transitions. When object position settings come up with to the end of the scene and insert new layer already selected. Press OK. This time, let's see how we can use fade in or fade out with a picture or text box. Let's go back to step 4. Step 4. After adding a picture or a text, select the object layer and stretch to the right. Then decide how long the object will last for. Select the object again. Go to Video Effects. Find Transparency and click Fade In. When Object Position Settings comes up with From the Start of the Scene and Add New Layer already selected, press OK. You can also drag the inside layer to see how long the fade-in lasts. For example, drag it long, the fade-in will last longer with a slower pace. Step 5. Return back to the main layer setup by selecting the main layer underneath object name. This time, we follow the same process, but we will click on the fade out. Repeat the steps just like how we did for the fade in transitions. When object position settings come up with to the end of the scene and insert new layer already selected, press OK. Step 6. Return back to the main layer settings from step 5 and test the fade transitions by playing the video clip starting from the beginning. I hope this tutorial helped you in adding transitions to your VSDC video project. If you like it, that's great! Or you can dislike it for any reasons, such as finding this tutorial hard to follow, or the tutorial steps didn't make sense to you. I am open to hear your experience from this tutorial. I hope to see you then. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.